Badr Shakir al-Sayyab is a celebrated Iraqi poet known for his profound and moving verses. One day, he walks through the streets of Baghdad, lost in thought and searching for inspiration for his next poem. As he walks, he sees a group of children playing and laughing in the streets. One of the children, a young boy, catches his attention. The boy is barefoot and dressed in rags, yet he seems completely content and happy as he plays with his friend. Badr is struck by the boy's joy and wonders how he can be so happy despite his difficult circumstances. He approaches the boy and strikes up a conversation, asking him about his life and his hopes for the future. The boy responds with a simple but powerful answer. I'm happy because I'm alive and I have my friends and my family. That's all that matters. Badr is moved by the boy's wisdom. True happiness doesn't come from material possessions or wealth, but rather from appreciating the simple joys of life. He returns home and writes a poem inspired by the young boy's perspective, expressing the importance of finding happiness in the present moment and valuing the things that truly matter in life. The moral lesson of this story is that true happiness comes from within, and it's not dependent on external circumstances or possessions. By focusing on the simple joys of life, we can find contentment and fulfillment regardless of our circumstances. Thank you very much.